Welcome to Alphanumeric Tricks. Now we are going to see the trigonometric trick in this video. Here we have in the first quadrant 0 to 90 is first quadrant and 90 to 180 is second quadrant and 180 to 270 lies in the third quadrant and the angles 270 to 360 degrees lies in the fourth quadrant. In this you have to remember this term all silver tea cups. Okay, and here all first quadrant, all the terms are positive. So all the terms meaning sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, everything is positive in the first quadrant. And then second quadrant, silver. So sine alone is positive in the second quadrant. And third quadrant, T. So tan alone is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos alone is positive. And then here, all the terms are positive and meaning sine, sine. And then what is cosecant? Cosecant is 1 by sine. That is also positive here. Okay, sine and cosecant is positive here and tan is positive, and here secant and cos is positive. Secant is 1 by cos. Okay, 1 by cos is secant. All the terms are positive. Here this is positive, remaining terms are negative. And now we come to this. In this line 0 and 360 degrees and 180. This line is 0, 180 and 360 degrees. Here there is no change for cos, sine, cosecant, secant, everything. But this line, there's a horizontal line 270 to 90. Here we have a change. What is the changes? Secant is changed to cosecant, sine is cos, cos is sine, tan is cot, cot is tan. Like that you have to change the terms. Now look, find out the angles here. Sine of 180 plus theta. What is sine of 180 plus theta? 180 plus lies in the third quadrant. So third quadrant, which term is positive? Tan alone is positive. So we have to write here negative sign. Here sign is there, so minus sine theta, because 180 is here, there is no change for sine, so you have to write minus sine this angle. You have to write it here. And then come to this tan of 270 minus theta. What is tan of 270 minus theta? 270 here, 270 minus 270 minus lies in the third quadrant alone, and the third quadrant, which is positive, tan alone is positive. Here tan is there, so you have to write this tan, but because of this 270 there is a change for tan. Tan is changed to cot. Okay, so cot theta. And in the here come to this one, cos of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant is sine and cosecant is positive, because cosecant is 1 by sine. That's why these two terms are positive. And here cos of 90 plus theta, 90 plus sine alone is positive. So here cos is there, so you have to put minus, and because of this 90, this cos is changed to sine, and this angle you have to write it. And come to this one, cot of 90 minus theta. 90 minus, this is 90. 90 minus theta lies here. So here all the terms are positive. So here you have to sine is positive. But because of this 90, this cot is changed to tan. Okay, tan, and this angle you have to write it. Tan theta. And what about this thing? Secant 270 plus theta. Secant. The 270 plus theta lies in which quadrant? 270 plus lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, which is positive. Cos is positive, and secant is 1 by cos, isn't it? Secant is 1 by cos. That is also positive. So here secant is positive, but because of this 270 degrees, the secant is changed to cosecant, and this angle you have to write it here. And what about this thing? Cos of 360 plus theta, you have to find out. Comment in the answer. Thank you.